Hello and welcome to TechBaffle. James over here, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload photos to Instagram on desktop or laptop computer. So before I start this video, TechBaffle now has merch, so head over to techbaffle.com/shop. We have all that you can possibly want. We have t-shirts, we have hoodies, maybe not because it's really hot at the moment, but we have t-shirts, we have hats, we also have a mug. So if you want some of the official merch, head over to techbaffle.com/shop. So as you may know, you go onto Instagram, and it's really well designed on either a mobile phone or tablet PC or anything like that, smartphone app or the website itself. But yeah, the desktop version is a bit, I don't know, there's not really anything to it that's any use. I mean, yeah, you can go through pictures and you can like stuff, but productivity wise there's not really much you can do. So as you can tell, there's absolutely no buttons around here to upload any photos or anything. So that's, I'd come on Instagram, just add the button. I know you're watching this video. So yeah, there is a, I guess you could call it a hack. It's not really a hack, it's just a feature from Google Chrome. So one good feature on Google Chrome you can use is Inspect Element. If you do a lot of web developing and that, Inspect Element is often used for inspecting web pages and that kind of stuff, but you don't need to worry about that, because what we actually care about that is, if you go inspect, oh, it's gone off to there we go. So obviously we've got all this scary looking code here. We don't need to even bother with that. What you need to focus on is the top left here, just under where it says Dev Tools, and you can see it can actually toggle the device. So here we go. Clicking that button, we've opened up our virtual iPhone 6, 7 or 8. So yeah, as you can see now, it's literally the mobile version of the app. Sometimes it doesn't always work the first time. If that's the case, then you just refresh it. And there we go. We've got the full mobile version of Instagram. So yeah, if it does open like it just did just then, it went all kind of weird, just press refresh or that and it will return back to what we know as the mobile version of Instagram. So from here you just press the plus button like you do on Instagram anyway, and it'll open up this window here, and we should be able to find the image that I'm going to upload. I had to select all files, I think it's the wrong file format or whatever, but it doesn't matter. Open, and here we go. I have the image that I want to upload to Instagram. So this is from my previous video. I'm a bit late at uploading to Instagram, I kind of forgot, but yes. So this is the, you can do all the normal cropping and that kind of stuff if you want to. I think that will do for now. So I'm just going to do the normal thing of what I want the caption to be. I don't know why I'm showing you this. This is normal Instagram anyway. So I've done all my caption and hashtags and that kind of stuff, and it's just normal Instagram share. And although we're on desktop or technically laptop, we have uploaded the photo and it looks fine. It doesn't look all weird and that, it looks fine just like normal Instagram is. So there you go. That's how you upload to Instagram using a desktop or laptop computer. Wait a minute, something I completely forgot about is how you get out of this mode, because you probably don't want to use this mode all the time. If you've noticed, it's actually opened two Chrome icons on the bottom, so just click one of those. If you've already got this taken up like the bottom half or the right hand side of your screen, then you'll see the same box anyway. But yeah, you just click the same button and it'll go back to normal. Well, hey, so if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding that bell icon for post notifications. Speaking of which, don't forget to follow me at TechBaffle. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. For the latest tech info, head over to techbaffle.com.